Yeah, I was up almost $100 away from passing the challenge. That's all I had to make, $100. But I just want to keep this raw and uncut for you guys because like it's just like people seem to think that trading is just placing a trade on a chart, but it's not. Like I already know how to trade. I literally predict GJ every single day, and yet I still find a way to lose because trading is still 70% psychology, and I haven't mastered my own psychology. It's just the saddest part. It's really sad because I woke up to, I believe, $600. I posted actually this same message in the School of Gods in the Prophets channel. And I literally said, challenge account, $200 left to hit profit goal after waking up to $500. I make more money while I'm sleeping. But as soon as I woke up, you guys can see there was a big dip. I literally lost $700 in 2 hours. How was that even possible? Well, let's rewind and let's actually look and see what happened. Well, at first, I was like, oh, I only need $100, right? I only need $100. So now I started to chase trades. First thing you should understand about the market, you should never chase the market. You should make the market come to you. Make the market come to one of the zones that is a part of your trading plan instead of you trying to chase the market. But I saw it going up, so I was like, okay, I'm going to put in some buys, and I started, I would buy, take out a little bit, buy, take out a little bit, buy again, take out a little bit. And then, but what happens is, like, now you start to marry the idea of this continuing to go up because you're marrying the idea of finally passing this challenge, for example, in my case, finally getting enough money to pay for that car or whatever you want, you know what I'm saying? And now the market has to do what you want it to do. Now you become blind to logic. You stop looking at the market how it's supposed to be meant to be looked at. You know what I'm saying? Because like it's gonna switch up on you. The market's a bad bitch, especially GJ. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna switch up on you. It doesn't have to go up the entire time. And I saw the rejection candles. I was like, nah, it's not gonna go down. But you know what I did? I continued to buy. And I even said it too. It's crazy how I'll even say these things. I said, do not enter another trade. If this trade goes down, just risk the amount that you just made, risk the $100 you made, just, buying in, getting out, buying in, getting out. But do not enter another trade. This is over trading. When you put in too many trades, or maybe you're flip-flopping trades, you're buying, you're selling, you're buying and selling, now your bias is messed up, your head's messed up, you don't even know which way to look at in the market. Or you're placing too many trades, now you're over-leveraging. Now you're not accepting the risk anymore because maybe that first trade you were cool with that. If it hit your stop loss, if it went in the other direction, you would have been fine. You would have been like, okay, oh whatever. I was okay with losing that. But as soon as you start to place in 2 trades, 3 trades, 4 trades, now you're sitting there glued to the market because you do not want to see it go in the other direction because you weren't prepared to lose that much money. That's the first thing that happened. I started over trading. I married the trade. I was chasing trades in the market. Now I needed it to do what I needed it to do, but the market does not bend to my will. The market just does what it wants to do. So then it goes against me. I lose $150 because I entered another trade as well. I was supposed to only lose 100. I lost 150. Now I'm mad. Now I'm mad that I lost 150. I was like, oh, I wasn't supposed to lose that much. Now I'm triggered. I can't punish the market. I can only punish myself. So then I was like, okay, this looks like a head and shoulders because I'm looking for a head and shoulders pattern after I see purple. That's what my trading plan tells me to do. So I tried to enter and it went in the opposite direction. Then I lost. I believe I went in with a standard again because I was trying to make all the money back and pass the challenge. Now I think I'm down like I need $250 now. And so I think I lost $100 from that trade. Now I need $250 to pass the challenge. I only needed 100 literally a few minutes ago. So now I'm mad again. I'm triggered. I'm still triggered. I'm still looking for this to go up. Then it starts to consolidate. Ooh. And I've said it before. When the market consolidates, when it's just moving in between a range, when the market's just not moving when you want it to move, that's when it's testing your patience. The thing about the Forex market is it's so crazy how they will literally pay you if you have enough patience. The Forex market is literally just, the stock market in general is just an exchange between money from the impatient to the patient. The stock market is literally the transfer of wealth from the impatient to the patient. This entire time I was waiting for it to go up. This entire time I was trying to buy. But then I started to see all these big red candles. And I was like, oh, you know what? Maybe it is going to go down. So then I switched bias. Started selling. Then I was like, no, maybe it's going to go up. So then I started to buy again. I started to sell, buy. Now my brain doesn't even know which direction to look. And you know what's crazy? I eventually got my mind right. And I put in 2 standards. This is basically $200, we'll say. At a really good entry. All I had to do was just wait. But I kept staring at the market. And I convinced myself that it was going to go down. So I got out. Out of those entries that literally, if I had just waited, would have made me everything back. And probably would have passed me to challenge. Impatience again. All this started because I wasn't patient enough to say, I'm going to wait for an opportunity to come to me in the market. I want to pass this challenge right now. As soon as you need something right now, you start to act irrational in the market. That's what I did. My trading plan told me exactly what to do. My trading plan told me exactly where the market was going to go. I was right. Imagine being right and not making any money off of it because you talked yourself out of it, because you overtraded. You're too fearful of losing the money because you overtraded, because you couldn't wait, because consolidation got you, because you wanted it right now. If you can't stay logical in the Forex market, if you get emotional, you're going to lose money. It's just a fact. Sucks. Really does. I was $100 away. And if I had just waited, I literally would have passed this challenge today. This would be a different video right now. But that's how I lost $700 in 2 hours. Moral of the story is, stop watching the charts. Avoid consolidation. Don't watch consolidation. And avoid overtrading. Because all it is just a lack of patience. I lost patience again. I fucking lost patience again. All I had to do was wait till I was right again. This is where we're at now. Like how? How is that even possible?